Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Quick Launch into a Motorola Moto G31. Firstly, open your settings and find System option on the bottom. Then you choose gestures, and first option in the list, it will be Open Camera Quickly. Now I'm going to turn off this option, so click here to turn on. And let's try this Quick Launch. So press to double power key twice, and camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.